Good morning, everybody. Greetings from Milan. This is a very brand new day, and I'd like to wish all the fathers a happy Father's Day. It's Sunday, so very quiet. My itinerary of the day is I'm going to the factory outlets for shopping. Okay, I'm not sure which factory outlet that the guide is going to bring us, but I think it is a factory outlet. That's it. We spent a couple of hours there, so don't expect me to buy a lot of things there because I'm broke already, basically. broke. So anyway, I'm not the shopping person, so just go there and see. May not be buying anything. Okay, so more to come later on when I reach the factory outlet. So I think the trip has almost come to an end, but it seems to be very, very interesting and fun, considering the number of countries, cities that I visited or revisited, new countries that I visit for the first time. I think after this trip, there will be another trip coming up very, very soon. If you would like to join me in my walk around the world, please contact me. And the next trip, I'll be planning my own itinerary. So I think I enjoyed that lah. So more to come later. Okay, bye. Good morning, everybody. Greetings from Milan, Italy. Today is a brand new day, so I'm telling you, Father's Day. I hope that everybody, actually fathers, have a good day. Right now I'm at this MacArthur Glen Designer Outlet. I think in every European city there's a factory outlet. So this time around I'm here. In the past I was at this Serravalle in France. So I'm going to spend I think a quarter of a day here or half a day here to shop around. So let's see what I can get, even though I'm not the shopping type. But sometimes if you encounter certain special offer or new design kind of stuff, most probably you'll get it here because I think first of all, the price will be very competitive, and maybe latest fashion as compared to when we buy it in Singapore. Okay, so that's all about the kind of drawn when I explore. So today is a Sunday, so it seems to be quite crowded in that sense. Okay, that's all. Bye. Everybody, greetings from Italy. I'm now in Milan. Anyway, it's end of my trip, so I've cleared immigration, cleared the passport control, so I'm now inside this duty-free shop. I still got some time left, so I'm going to walk around or see any last-minute shopping before my flight. So it seems to be very crowded today in the airport, so you can see people all walking around. So I'll spend some time to walk around as well. So this is the duty-free shop at Milan International Airport. So if you're here, do make sure they come here and you may grab some last-minute gifts or souvenirs. Okay, bye. From Changi Airport, I reached Changi Airport safely thanks to the flight despite of the 2 hours delay in the transit over in Dubai. Overall the flight was okay, and it's past midnight now, so I'm going to clear immigration to my luggage. Hopefully everything will arrive smoothly. It's been a wonderful trip, been to so many countries, cities, and if you want to join me in my walk around the world, the next trip is coming up very soon. So more than coming on, and I'm going to continue to explore the world. Okay, that's all. Bye. update from Changi, but I've reached Singapore safely after 15 hours of flight, including layover, and also there's a flight delay. But anyway, then they say they collect all my luggage. So this time I should notice that I didn't buy as much things as in the past because this is more like a revisitation trip, so not okay. Anyway, this trip has ended, so another trip coming up. So if you'd like to join me on my own, please contact me and we can explore the world very, very soon. That's all. Bye.